Hello, I'm Kate Taylor from Taylor & Co Estate Agents and we're based in Abergavenny. I'm absolutely delighted to be joined by Katie from CC Mortgages again, and she comes hot on the heels of our inaugural first time buyer events which we held in our offices last week. It was so wonderful to see so many first time buyers pop into the office and ask Chris and Katie's advice on purchasing their first property. So one of the questions myself and my team have frequently asked is, when should you make an appointment to see a mortgage advisor? What would you say to them, Katie?
So we'd always recommend that speaking to a mortgage advisor is one of the first things that you do. That's whether you're a first-time buyer or you're a home mover, and purely to find out obviously how much you can borrow and find out what costs will be involved with your purchase or your home move.
I think that's really great advice, Katie, because seeing a mortgage advisor doesn't just apply to obviously first time buyers. I find frequently when I'm out on valuations that the home seller hasn't thought about their financial circumstances. And at that valuation stage, it's a really good idea to make an appointment to see a mortgage advisor so you know how much you can borrow if you're a second stepper or moving up market. So that's great advice. So why do you think they should come and see a mortgage advisor, Katie? Why should they do that?
So we'd always recommend obviously speaking to a mortgage advisor who has access to the whole of market, as myself and Chris do. So we can compare obviously what your own bank would be offering against hundreds of other lenders. Not only are we comparing what rate is offered to you to ensure that you secure the cheapest deal, but we're also comparing what you may be able to borrow. So some lenders will offer higher multiple incomes to first-time buyers and home movers, which essentially may help you afford to make that next step, or even to obviously secure a more suitable property as a first time buyer. We've got access to exclusive deals, which means we may also get you a better rate with your own bank than what you may be able to get by going direct.
I know what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be making my own appointment to see Katie. That's really great advice. Thank you so much for taking the trouble for joining me today, Katie. And of course, she's here every Tuesday and Thursday in our office in Lion Street. So you can pop in and see her or ring us and make an appointment. And I'm sure she'd be absolutely delighted to give you her best advice. So get in touch. Our telephone number here, 01873 564424. And she's always at the end of the phone.
See you
Bye for
then.
now.
Bye.